18 years ago in 2004, my mother and sister met with a motorcycle accident. Luckily, there were no broken bones or serious wounds, so they took a cab and got home straight. We always had an emergency kit with alternate medicine. Since they felt physically shaken and had minor bruises, they consumed medication for internal injuries and healing. They continued for 3 weeks as they saw steady improvement until they were back to normal. A few months later, when we took out the medical kit for another purpose, we were thrilled to see that the medicine they had used to completely cure themselves was one for strong hair and another a blood purifier. Nothing to do with internal injuries at all. As we laughed for a moment, we could not overlook the power of our mind. With faith in that medicine and the sincere expectation of a positive outcome, it worked just right. Did you know, as per science, expectations alter the biochemistry of your brain and so the whole body? Expectations are intangible, but their effects are quite real. They have the potential to change your reality. And as you know, it's almost impossible to live a life free from expectations, isn't it? The best we can do is to manage them. How about you remove self-doubt and set positive expectations so that your brain and the universe will support you with whatever it takes to achieve your goals. All the best.